Hello, my name's Miss Emma and I'm here with the speech sound dog. This speech sound dog is called Goldie. There's another speech sound dog, it's a spelling dog called Sam. Today Goldie is going to be playing speech sound detective, and I wonder if you can play speech sound detective at home as well. You ready to get comfy? You ready to play speech sound detective? He said, woof. I think he is. Woof. Let's get ready. Oh, Goldie's already chosen a book. A book. Which one is it? Oh, bedtime. Bedtime. Now what I want you to do, now the only time that you can write on the book is when you've asked permission from a grown-up and when it rubs out. I'll show you what I mean. If I write on here with a whiteboard marker, it's got to be a whiteboard marker. Let's have a look. It's a whiteboard compact. So if I can write on here, I'm going to write my name. If I was to write my name, I can rub it out again. So we're not ruining the book, because we don't want to ruin the book. So this book we can do this with, can't we, Goldie? So what we're going to do when we play Speech Sound Detective is we are going to work out the speech sound pics, the pictures of the speech sounds. So a grown-up will do this with you. They'll tell you the word. So here's a word. They'll tell you the word, and then you've got to work out the sound pics. And because we can write on it, we can put a little line underneath. Now this word is toothbrush. Toothbrush. What for sound can you hear first of all? Toothbrush. I heard the t. So that must be the bit that is the t speech sound pic. T. Ooh. Ooh. That's the bit for the ooh. T. Ooh. So that's a picture of ooh in toothbrush. Ooh. And that's a picture of t in toothbrush. T. T. Ooh. Toothbrush. Oh, that looks like a t as well. Did we hear toot? No, it's toothbrush. So this t, ooh, that must be a th. So a t and a h together must make a th sound. Tooth. So we've got another one. So we've got a t, ooth. I'm going to put a little line underneath. T, ooth. Tooth. B, toothbrush. B. So where's the b? Where would I put the line underneath for the b? Where's a picture of b? There it is. We've got tooth. B. Let's put the b here. B. Let's put a little line underneath it. So we've got t, ooh, b. Let's have a look what's next. T, ooh, b, r. Oh, that must be the r. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. B, r. Let's put the r. Where's the picture for r? There he is. There's So what have we got so far? T, ooh, b, ush. We need sh next. Tooth, b, So where's the picture for You guessed it. There it is. Let's put the down here. And I'm going to put a little line. Oh, who can remember? Where do we start? T, ooh, b, sh. Toothbrush. I want to hear the sh sound. What's the sh sound? Well, that might be a picture of s, but I can't hear toothbrush. I can hear toothbrush. This must be the picture of sh. We've got t, ooh, b, sh. We've got 7 speech sound pics. 7 pictures of our speech sounds that make the words toothbrush. Let's have a look. We've got t, ooh, toothbrush. And that's what I want you to do when you play Speech Sound Detective. Just look at one word, or you might choose two words if it's a short one. Find the word, a grown-up will tell you what it is, and then you work out where the speech sounds link with our speech sound picks. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Thanks, Goldie. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. You want to do another one? Oh, Goldie wants to do another one. Okay. Don't forget to rub it out. There we go. Toothbrush. And then we can look at the picture and say, oh, look, the zebra is cleaning his teeth with a toothbrush. Let's have a look at the next page. Turn it over. Which one shall we do? Shall we do this word or shall we do this word? You want to do this one? Okay. Well, Goldie, this word is stars. So let's work it out. How many sounds can you hear? What you might do first of all is listen for the sounds. S, t, Oz. I had 4 of them. S, t, Oz. St, Oz. Stars. S, t, Oz. So let's work out where the speech sounds must link with our sound picks. Who thinks they know where this is? Where's the picture of S? Oh, you guessed it. It's just there. Let's draw it on here. Oh, I might even put it on the top here. There's the picture of S. What can you hear next? Stars. I heard the T. Ready? Let's put a line underneath the T. St. 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 Stars. Stars. Oh, let's have a look. What's the last sound you can hear? Stars. I think in this word, this is a picture of S at the beginning, but I think this is a picture of Z at the end. Stars. So this must be a picture of R. All of that. So we've got Oz. Stars. And we could get the clouds, can't speak. We could get the clouds out. Let's have a look where the picture for S is. Look, there's the cloud for S. Where was the one we had in stars? Can you see it? S. Where was it? Oh, it was that one. Let's have a look. S. I think it's there. S. And then we had a picture for T. Where's the picture for T? Where's the cloud for T? There it is. Where's the picture for T? That was the one in stars. There it is. St. Oz. And where's the picture for R? Oh, couldn't find it then. There it is. R. So which was the picture for R that was in stars? Can you see it? Let's have a little check. Looks like that. Are you ready? Where is it? There it is. Did you spot it? Yes. Stars. Stars. And where's the picture for Z? Where's the cloud for Z? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Z. There it is. Stars. What did it look like? Stars. It was that one, wasn't it? Stars. So you need to find the speech sound and link it with the sound pick. And you can also use the clouds and also use your whiteboard to show where they are. On that one, I just did them like this. And on this one, I did them in the same order as the book. Read it with me. Are you ready? Tell me the sounds. St. Oz. Stars. And then we can look at the picture. Look. There's a picture of stars on there. Wow. It's a little duck or a little chick inside a bowl on a leaf, or is it a nest, do you think? Looking at the stars. Perhaps she's saying tw-eep, tw-eep, tweep, tweep, or cheep, cheep. What do you think she's saying? What's the next one? The next one would be teddy bear. Teddy bear. But I've got to go because we've got to get some tea. Some tea. We really are going now, so see you later, alligator.